Hi, it's the Model TV. Rate this gele tying on a scale of 1 to 10. What will you score me? Let me hear from you in the comment section. So, I have not given up on trying. Yes, I must know how to tie gele, whether I like it or not. So, I've discovered that I just have to stay consistent. And then, so this is how it begins. Just the normal pleating. You pleat it while holding it. If you're not comfortable just holding it with your hand, you keep it on a table or on your leg and make the pleat, then put it on your head and still follow the lines, okay? And then take it to the back and tie it up. This is where I discovered that I do not have energy. Like, I couldn't tie this thing firmly. See how I was struggling, but finally it's here. I did it. So after that pleat and the tying behind, I now took the remaining parts to the face, to the front. Now I'll still tie it up, okay? Just like this. It's easy. And come on, my weaving is hurting. And now this, whew, women, una dey try oh. That reminds me, happy Mother's Day to all the women in my community. Like, for your love, your sacrifice, the pains, everything you go through to put smiles on people's faces, even when you're not happy. We see it all, and I personally appreciate you. The Model TV appreciates you. So, this is coming from us to you. Happy Mother's Day. The Lord bless and keep you and make you a fulfilled mother. Okay, back to our head tie. So, as you can see, it took like 3 steps to get here and we're done. So it's very simple. With this remaining part up here, you can make a bow. Yes, you can make a rose. Like anything you can imagine, you can play with it and make something very beautiful and unique. So I saw this style somewhere and I admired it. So I decided to try it. And I'm happy I've been able to achieve this. This is how it looks like. Please don't leave without rating this my head tie. You don't know the time that I took to try this, you know. It takes courage. I'm not a head tie person. My own is just heart and fascinator, but I'm trying hard to be a head tie person. So rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. See you in my next video. How does this look? Okay, let's move forward. This is just me and my natural makeup. What do you think? I know I don't know how to dance, so don't even comment on my dance. See you in my next video. Love you.